The past behavior of someone, in a legal sense, is only relevant if the employer knew about it or should have known. Failure to prevent sexual harassment
Yep.
in California is actually a standalone cause of action.
Yep.
You sue for sexual harassment, and you also sue for the failure to prevent it. And so
Okay.
There has been a progression like this, which I think it's fascinating to hear Dr. Marietti talk about this. That is part of the person's mindset and their MO. But to the extent that there's, particularly if there's been any documentation of it, the cases that settle for extremely high dollars in my world are when it's the second victim. If we've already got a workup, if we've got a HR file, the person was written up for touching someone inappropriately, and then a person comes forward, we're dead to rights on the failure to prevent claim. We've got the documents in the HR file.